ang best na tour guide dito sa El Nido. So,
Thank you, brother.
kapag gusto nyo makakita ng chicks, message nyo muna siya.
Sa mga Pilipino kababayan ko dyan, kung gusto nyo magpunta dito, kung gusto nyo makapaghanap ng partner, apam, madami dito sa El Nido.
Tulad dito, di ba?
Yeah. This is one of our guests in Outpost. She's a beautiful lady from Luis.
She's very, very pretty.
Isda.
Anong isda yan? Isda kulingan.
Sisig to?
Sisig pizza. Yun o. Maya-maya ako. Sige lang. Alright guys, we're here at Outpost right now in El Nido, and we're gonna do the island tour. It's not very popular, there's only 8 of us, but that's the only thing available today. So this is Outpost right there, and you have to walk to your boat and transfer to a bigger boat. It looks very nice right now. Alright, so this island is freaking amazing. You could see freaking, it's so nice. It's unreal. Ito ang best na tour guide dito sa El Nido. So,
Thank you, brother.
kapag gusto nyo makakita ng chicks, message nyo muna siya.
Sa mga Pilipino kababayan ko dyan, kung gusto nyo magpunta dito, kung gusto nyo makapaghanap ng partner, apam, madami dito sa El Nido.
Ito tatawagan. Pero grabe no, anong pangalan itong lugar na to? Ang ganda eh.
Balinawood Beach.
Balinaw Beach.
Balinawood
Beach.
Beach.
Wow, tingnan nyo.
Grabe oh. Sobra oh.
Tapos kung may kasama ka pang apam, mas malupit.
Oo, mas malupit talaga. Mas malupit talaga.
Ayan, mamaya meron tayo dun. Meron namang isa.
Meron isa.
Celebrity po, di ba?
Celebrity. Si Sir
Cheryl
Lim.
Agreed that this place is amazing. She said it's the best one she's seen so far. And it's only the first one, so that's crazy. Alright guys, I want to introduce Lemuel.
Okay guys, kung gusto nyo pong mag-like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lemuel Abings TV. And yeah,
Lemuel Abings TV?
Lemuel Abings TV.
Abings TV. A-B-I-N-G.
Yeah.
Abings TV.
And yeah, before my content is agriculture, but now I'm here in Palawan. I do I want to
tour siya ng mga...
I'm a tour guide. That's why my plan is I want to continue that, but that different content, which is adventure vlog.
Yeah,
and also thank you bro, and yeah, don't forget guys.
So pag susubaybayan natin yan si Lemuel, tatag natin siya, tapos para makita natin yung mga bisita nila na
katulad dito, di ba?
Yeah, this is one of our guests in Outpost. She's a beautiful lady from Luis.
She's very, very pretty. So, ito ba yung small lagoon? O ito yung
Taglaw Lagoon.
Taglaw Lagoon? Kaya ko. We are here we stopped at Serenity Beach. This is where we're gonna have lunch up there. So they're preparing it right now. Let's see actually. Let us see. Yes sir!
Vlog lang.
Isda.
Anong isda yan? Isda kulingan.
Sa sauce, and also we have fish. This called what was one? Tuna. Yeah, there's a called tuna.
Wow.
And next is we have chicken adobo. These are most traditional here in Philippines. Chicken adobo. These are delicious guys. And mix some soy sauce and mix some small vinegar. And next is and last is we have fruits, Filipino banana, and also sweet melon, and also cucumber mix watermelon. That's Filipino banana.
What's
Filipino banana, small, harder but salty.
but very tasty.
Harder very much so tasty. That's the characteristic in Filipino banana. Okay guys, Bon appetit and enjoy. Enjoy their food.
Get it after, or maybe they can help you.
See, that's why Lemuel is the best tour guide. He knows the spot.
Bakit tinawag na helicopter beach?
Ang forma nito sa malayuan, Helicopter Island.
Ah, helicopter island.
Helicopter yung forma pala.
Yung...
Helicopter. Kung gutom ka, fried chicken. Look like fried chicken.
Ah. So it looked like helicopter, but it could be fried chicken too, they said. Alright, so we're back at Outpost, and look at this. This is why it's a very popular spot. Look at the sunset here. Crazy.